At the Sellers Law Firm, we believe the most important events are those that take place outside of the courtroom. That's why we fight for your rights, defend your freedom, and stand by you to ensure you don't miss out on what's important. Because at the Sellers Law Firm, you are more than a client. You are family.
Hi, I'm Jody, and I want to welcome you to our family. I want to sit down, talk about your case, and let's see how we can help you out.
The Sellers Law Firm, where clients become family.
Oh no, are you okay, Mike?
Yeah, got a pretty big fender bender here.
Don't worry, State Farm's got you covered.
That's great to hear. Robin, what's going on?
We're gonna get you a tow truck, Mike.
Thank you. Real fender bender going on here. Fender bender. Fender bender. Fender bender. Fender bender. Everybody remain calm. No reason to panic.
Go with the one that's here to help life go right.
Call State Farm agent Randy McClellan at 770-898-6911 today.
Here at Drip Through Coffee, we believe that gourmet coffee can be served quickly without compromising quality. Our coffee is organically grown and purchased through fair trade, so the farmers receive a fair price product. Drip Through Coffee has a wide variety of beverages from coffee to tea lattes and espresso. So swing by Drip Through Coffee and start your day off the right way.
Don't end up like this guy. Kids Bouncy Things is a licensed and insured inflatable and party rental company. We have over 100 different inflatables to choose from, including water slides, tables, chairs, tents, and everything party related. Visit kidsbouncythings.com to start your next rental. If you don't want to end up on the news, we're the company to use.
I promise to be a good person. Honesty in my mind, honesty in my heart, strength in my body, to make good friends, to become a black belt leader.
We are HCA Martial Arts.
Here at Platinum Pro Roofing, we believe our customers are more than a number. That means giving our clients what they want and need instead of selling them something they don't. We're here to help you through the roofing process as a friend and not just a customer. We also offer military and law enforcement discounts. So if you're looking to upgrade or repair your roof, call Platinum Pro and see what we're all about. Platinum Pro Roofing. Local, faith-based, and professional.
Learn to love your dentist. Show the world it doesn't hurt, and share your beautiful smile with JSA Dental Care. We deliver quality dental care in a comfortable setting. Our friendly, educated staff will give you the best individualized attention you deserve using the latest technology. And who knows, you could be patient of the day. Most insurance plans are accepted. Call JSA Dental Care or visit us online to schedule your appointment.
At Lindsay Orthodontics, it's all about convenience. We pick up patients at school with our brace bus so their parents don't have to miss work. Dr. Charles Lindsay utilizes the most advanced technology to create beautiful smiles. No more impressions. We offer a wide range of orthodontic services using braces and Invisalign. And by the way, Dr. Lindsay is the largest provider of Invisalign in the Griffin, Locust Grove, and surrounding areas. But at the end of the day, it's all about our patients. So contact us today to schedule a free consultation.
Warning: your computer may be infected.
Thank you for choosing Ramtech. This is Nikki. How may I help you?
At Ramtech, our team is committed to helping you solve all of your computer and IT problems. Whether it's computer repair, backup and IT solutions, network security, email management, or phone support, we have you covered.
Here at Ramtech, we make IT simple.
Pinstripes now offers Hologate, the virtual reality game only for our customers, as well as laser tag, bumper cars, and over 60 video and arcade games. Pinstripes also offers our food and beverage selections for many birthday parties, sports teams, company outings. Pinstripes is a place to be at 3478 Mount Zion Road.
Covenant Care Pediatrics is passionate about providing comprehensive, safe, and effective care that is grounded in scientific research based on the latest guidelines, along with a dose of common sense. We provide innovative care from our breastfeeding practice to programs including newborn care, vaccines for pregnant moms, asthma, and many more. We are a medical home for children, coordinating all of their care, even when out of the office. Our advanced electronic record and patient portal allows us to provide amazing care for kids before, during, and after the visit, constantly tracking children's health. We keep busy parents up to date with our practice and the latest advances in keeping kids healthy both in print and online. Our ultimate goal is for every child in our practice and our community to reach his or her fullest potential. We spend as much time as necessary with parents and children answering questions and teaching about health, nutrition, and wellness. From short wait times to same-day appointments, we do everything we can to help busy parents. Come visit our new office at 245 Country Club Drive, Suite 200A, and visit our new breastfeeding center. Covenant Care means caring for your children as we do our own. That's our promise.